What's up, YouTube? Good morning. I'm doing this Infiniti g37, doing a radiator install. Customer been complaining about his car overheating. See all this coolant everywhere. Coolant reservoir bottle almost empty. Walk you step by step of the videos I've saw on YouTube. I'm gonna do it my way. I saw some people take the bumper off. Some people didn't take the bumper off. You just remove these couple tins. That's right here. Couple tins. Got some more. Gotta move these clips. And I think it's like 2 more tins underneath. All right, get back with you in a second. All right, guys, got all the clips. Got all the clips out. Got all the tins out. There was 2 more hidden tins under here. 2 tins that was hidden under there. After you do that, you just want to slide it back, give it a good push, and then lift up. Be right back. All right, guys, after you got this black piece up, there's a couple clips underneath, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Take that out, and then take this whole piece out. Take the clips out, you take these screws out. There's clips right here. That goes to this piece, goes underneath it. You just unclip them, push it back, pull right out. Comes right out. So the next step is, should have these for the radiator support. Go ahead, just twist those off. Twist those off. Get my little tool right here. Twist, lift up. All right, after you do that, there's 3 tins. You have a tin here, and you also have a tin here, and you also have a tin down there. If you can see it, right down there. It's a tin right there. Take that out, move this, and this should move freely. All right, got the tins out. There's 1 tin down there. I just pulled it out, leaned it like that. It's my car, so I don't care if it scratches the grill. I'm buying a new one anyways. Yeah, it's nothing gonna happen to it. All right, so after you do that, you wanna remove this dryer connector. Get that out the way. Put it around here. Get that out the way. All right, some people said they use an adjustable wrench to get that out, but I think it's a 22 or 24. I have both, and I have my Milwaukee Impact. I might hit it, take it off of there. That's the dryer, cooler, or whatever for the condenser. And what you want to do over here is, it's a 10. Let my camera focus. It's a 10 down there. It's a 10 down here, and it's another 10 right here. It looks the same. So that 10, and then it's another 10 down here. That 10. You remove that. Bend this piping to the right just a little bit, and this should be able to come right out. Lift it forward, come right out. You don't have to remove anything else. Oh well, I have to take this radiator hose off. I'm gonna take this part off. Screw that, pull it out. Should be good to go. What's up, YouTube? I'm back here trying my gun here. I got 2 long extensions with a long 10. Break it loose. That's 1. Oh. That's 1 screw. Got this next one right here. Let me just take this off. It's so hard to work with one hand. I see what other YouTubers are talking about. Trying to do my own little thing. Right? Doing this top piece right here. That to the side. Put this one to the side. This is the bottom one.